Hey, I'm Matt Brooks. This is my good old friend #Eliott. We're at the Kamloops Bike Ranch. We're dropping in. Hey, I'm Matt Brooks. This is my Commensal Furious. We've got Race Face Atlas wheels on it, running Magic Berry tires. We have a Race Face 6C carbon bar and Atlas direct mount stem. We have a SR Suntour Rux R2 C2 fork, and we are running a Tri-Air SR Suntour rear shock. It's one of their new shocks. We have Race Face 6C carbon cranks on it, Chromag custom little seat there, and this is also the BC edition, so there's some custom artwork done on it. And yeah, that's my bike.
Hello Oshi, I'm Eliott Laprotre. That's my bike. I have 4/4 SR Suntour Rux R2C2 cartridges with fender on the fork. I have dumper SR Suntour Tri-Air. Box component 1 for shifter derailleur, chain, cassette and grips. V-tire, Huber, Florumba. Magura brakes and cockpit and seat post Ride Alpha.